Hey everyone, how's it going? Christina here. Welcome back to another video on the crypto channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Dogecoin. In many perspectives, this is a really great long-term play. It's had many pumps, last bull cycle and beyond that. It is going to have more pumps this bull cycle, and that's kind of why I really want to continue to talk about it periodically because I still think it's a good play. It's a little more of a safer, more secure play. Really good if you're a newer investor. Um, my coverage on Dogecoin is not just going to solely be, through this bull cycle. It's definitely going to be one of those projects that I'm going to continue to talk about as we head into the bear market because it will be a good hold to have um, throughout the bear market and beyond that. So we're going to take a look at the chart. I'll give you a little more of my perspective on it and where I think it could go this bull cycle and why I think this should be in addition to your portfolio. So without further ado, let's head on over to the chart first. We'll take a look at the numbers, all that good stuff, and then we'll take it from there. So let's hop on over. All right, so as you can see, Dogecoin is already a really well-developed project, right? It's sitting at 23 cents. So this has already had significant pumps. So it's not one of those 100x coins by any means. I think the best view to start here is actually the all-time chart. Dogecoin has been around for years and years. It launched, as you can see, in 2014. So it's been around, it's going to be 11 years that this coin has been on the market. So it has seen a few bull cycles in its day, but fortunately, there is more pumping potential. Now, this didn't really catch, people's eyes until the last bull cycle in 2021 when we saw it shoot up to a new all-time high of 56 cents. Then once we hit the bear market, it came down into a short-term correction. So this hit in May of 2021 and then went down and it was kind of hanging out in anywhere between like 6 cents and 10 cents for a few years, all through 2022 through 2023. Then this time last year, we saw it have a very small pump up to 22 cents, back down to a short-term correction, then another pump up to 46 cents in December of 2024, and then back down again through a short-term correction. These two pumps here are what I would call the fake pumps, the baby pumps, the pre-pumps. Those are not the bull cycle pumps. Many might argue and say, well, if it's following the same pattern that it did in 2021, this would have been the bull cycle pump and now it's all done back in December 2024. I don't believe that because December of 2024 was way too early to be seeing like significant pumps for this, okay? This will pump with the start of altcoin season, which has already taken place. The summer months will be a significant time for this. This is going to pump with the rest of the market, okay? It's going to pump with meme season, even though it's not a meme coin. When everything else starts to pump, Doge will also pump. So Doge doesn't really lead in my opinion, but it does follow. So when Bitcoin starts pumping, when Ethereum starts pumping, which they already are, but I'm talking like significant bull cycle pumps, which I think we'll see in the summertime, Dogecoin is going to follow along. So this, like in my opinion, is one of the healthiest looking charts I've seen in a while. It's a bullish looking chart. When we look at the 24-hour view, it looks pretty good. It's up 3.27%. When we go into the 7-day view, it's up 42.05% for the past week. So this is starting to kind of pump here and make its way back up to where it hit in December. So it will hit this at 46 cents. Then it will hit the all-time high again at 56 cents and then go beyond that. So people are probably wondering, well, why is this such a good play? Why is this such a safe play? It's been around for a long time. It always has gas ready to go in the tank every bull cycle. It's one of those that's never going to end. It's not like a meme coin or low cap meme where it pumps, dumps, and then it's done. This is a long-term hold. This is the kind of coin you would put in a category with like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Pepe. I just recently did a video on Pepe. Definitely go and check it out where I say very similar things about Pepe. It's a good long-term hold. So that's exactly what I think about Dogecoin. It's established. It's established its value. It's available on Coinbase. It's available on Binance. It's available on major tier 3, tier 2, and tier 1 exchanges. It's done all that already. So yes, the con here or the downfall might be, okay, I'm not buying it like right after it launched. I'm not getting it before the pumps. Doesn't matter. It's going to pump every bull cycle regardless. At least for this bull cycle and probably in the bull cycle in the next 4 years. Probably has like, one or two at least bull cycles left in it. So the downfall would be because it already had its initial pump, which was from 0.001 all the way up to 56 cents. Because it had that, obviously this is not going to 100x, but it is going to do something. So when people come to me, before I pull out the calculator, when people come to me and say, Christina, I'm a new seasoned investor. I don't know what to invest in. What can I invest in that's a great safe play that's going to make me money? Pepe would be an answer that I would give them. Dogecoin would be an answer that I would give them. Dogecoin really is a really great, safe, secure play and a guaranteed win. So we have it at 23 cents here, 2376 times. Let's start off low here. And I'll give you my price prediction. Hang on. Of what I think this could do. This could 20x this bull cycle. 20x. It's already at a $2.87 billion market cap, which is down a little bit. Yeah. That's doable. And I think 20x might even be a little bit on the high side. So you could make money on that. Like 20x could happen. It's realistic. It might do like a 15x though. I'd say 15 to 20x on this, which is that's a nice chunk of money. So because here's the catch here. Okay, you're saying, okay, well, that's nothing, Christina. Like, why are you telling me to invest in something that's a 10 to 15x? So I want like 100x. Well, the 100x come usually with a little more risk. The 100x coins are usually meme coins, the low cap meme coins or low cap AI coins or gaming coins, not usually altcoins unless we're getting like a brand new altcoin that like just hit the market. The newer established coins like Dogecoin and Pepe are going to have smaller pumps, but they will pump. But here's the catch, because it's a safer play, a more secure play, you could put more in. Put $500 into this. That would give you 2,104 Doge coins times, if it went to $3.50, from $500, you would make $7,365. If you put $1,000 down into this, which if you're more of seasoned investor or you're working with a little more in your portfolio, I think that's a good amount for this. 4,208 times goes up to about 350. You would make $14,730. These numbers are not exact. This is a hypothesis. That's just to give you an idea, though, of what you would put in or have to put in to get a certain amount out. So you could drop a little more on these 20x, 25x, even, 30x coins, whatever. You could drop a little more. Yes, the X, like what it's going to do is significantly smaller than a 100x coin. That's why I always say on the 100x coins, put in a smaller bag. See how that works? The ones that are going to do 10, 15, 20x, those are more safer plays. Those are the projects that have been around for a while. Those are your Ethereum, your Dogecoin, your Solana, your Pepe, even though that's a meme coin. Those are the more established. Brett, although Brett is brand new this bull cycle, but those are your more safer, secure, established plays. Because of the safety and security, you could put more in. Those 100x meme coins, low cap coins, that's where I always say small bag. And you can afford to afford to put 20 bucks in, 50 bucks in. It's not a bad thing if you put that small amount in, drop 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks on a small low cap meme because it's going to 100x. So you're going to get more out of it. Hopefully 100x. You'll get more out of it and you don't have to drop thousands and thousands of dollars in it because that would be risky anyways. So see how that works? The safer, secure plays, obviously you put more in. You'll get more out of it too. Those more risky coins, you put less in. It's a simple concept, but it's a win-win usually. So that is my take on Dogecoin today. I will keep you posted on this, but if you are a brand new investor and you are watching this video right now, get a little Dogecoin, get a little Pepe. Start there. I'm also offering portfolio reviews. The link for it is going to be in the description section on all my videos. It is something I just launched in the last 2 weeks. The Crypto Channel VIP. You could get a one-on-one coaching session with me. This is your direct line of communication to talk to me personally. A lot of great things offered here, so check it out. And I'm offering 2 packages that I'm literally giving away compared to what all these other influencers or investors charge. So very reasonable pricing. Would love to connect with you and get to know you. Just a few things before I end this video as well. My social media links are in the description section, Instagram, X, Discord server. Give me a follow on those. And of course, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is so appreciated. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys.